Today, we're gonna be going over my 5 top tips for you in order to grow a flourishing beard. We're gonna start out with the obvious, let it grow. Now, this is obvious, and yet many of us, we fall victim to the principle of patience. We start letting it grow a week, maybe a week and a half into it. We start looking at it, messing around with it, and we start trimming it and cleaning it up here and there. And before we know it, it's completely shaven. So, number 1, let it grow and be patient. Number 2, nutrition and hydration. Now, this is gonna sound a lot like fitness and health tips, but beard growth / hair growth and your health kind of go hand in hand. And so what I mean by nutrition and hydration, you need to make sure that you're taking in an adequate amount of carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Yes, fat, because that plays an essential role in your hormone levels. Now, hydration, you should be drinking about 10 to 15 cups of water on average a day for the typical person. Now, number 3, take care of your skin. When the scruff starts appearing, be proactive. Go ahead and shampoo and condition and use beard oil. Now, this is setting yourself up for success because you're already getting the routine down. Now, beard oil and beard balm. Now, both of these are gonna help in regard to moisturizing your skin and your beard, in addition to protecting it from external factors. Now, not a lot of people mention this, but I am a firm believer in stimulating your hair follicles in order to increase the efficiency of hair growth. And what I mean by that is, let's say you grab one of these brushes right here, from the Beard Struggle, of course, and you go ahead and whenever you're bored, just go ahead and brush your beard. And that constant stimulation does stimulate your hair follicles and increase the efficiency of hair growth. Number 4, keep your stress levels down. And I know it's a lot easier said than done, but things such as just unplugging for a few minutes a day, just kind of going somewhere and just having some alone time really helps reduce your stress levels, in addition to meditation. Now, stress increases cortisol levels, and that has a negative impact on not only your hair growth, but your overall health in general. Last but not least, number 5, rest. This is often overlooked, and again, this is very crucial not only to hair growth and beard growth, but it's very crucial to your overall health in general. Now, there's a study, actually there are a few studies that show that individuals that have less than 5 hours of quality sleep have been shown to have a 15% reduction in testosterone levels. Keep that in mind. So get rest, and that's also going to help bring down your stress levels, which in turn will reduce your cortisol levels. And we all know that cortisol levels, they do have a negative impact on not only hair growth, but again, your overall health in general. Okay, there we have it. 5 tips in order to grow a flourishing beard. I hope that you found these helpful. Again, my name is Daniel Ziegler. My Instagram handle is @DansBeard, and my YouTube channel is Dan's Beard. Until next time, peace.